I see.
Mommy, I'm getting nice boots.
No, Daddy doesn't need his boots.
I need to put freaking Muddy Puddles. Mommy, I got nice boots freaking Muddy Puddles.
Okay.
I will burn these like to the deep. Remember this like the diving. That's a bit. I do that. Here's your boots.
Oh, you could.
I'm using the Muddy Puddles.
Oh.
They just show you.
I gotta put these boots on, really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're killing me, kid. These are the boots. Okay.
They're old now. Mommy, they're old now. Mommy, they're old to get how you can do something.
I gotta do something so I can get something? Yeah.
What you can do, far you can. And
I gotta jump as far as I can?
And I could run to the next hill. And I could look to the...
How long do I gotta wear these boots for?
You can look at what you put over there.
Over there?
I know, and you guys look so cute doing it too. No, Ava.
You're gonna fall and break your dupa.
Oh.
Yep.
We're going to play here. Now you go over there.
Right here?
Mommy, the Muddy Puddles. Let's play your boots. But you can dip in Muddy Puddles with your boots.
You gotta jump muddy puddles with your boots. So for you can jump the muddy puddles for you, so you have your boots, so you can jump the muddy puddle. Right? Don't worry, I got it right. Alright? I can have my boots where I can jump muddy puddles from my boots in muddy puddles.
Muddy boots.
In my boots, muddy puddles.
I'm going to scoot around.
You gonna scoot around?
Mommy, I'm going to scoot around.
Okie dokie.
You're gonna scoot around in muddy puddles, you're gonna get your dupa all dirty.
Ava, is your dupa dirty?
Yes.
Can you see your dupa?
Yes, I can. It's all dirty. My fingers are dirty.
Okay.